So, hello YouTube video watchers. This is a 1976 playcat. I've had it for about 3 years. It came to me with very few, I think, original parts. As you can see, this model, which you may not be able to see, has the hard tires as opposed to the air-filled. This, I am down to the strip down. I've taken everything out of it. It came with a 295, which was a 300 out of a 75 Olympic. I've taken everything out, gas tank, wiring, everything except for the initial splines for the drives to hook on and the exhaust. I had some trouble with the engine, some points which I'm rebuilding inside, and I'm having some clutch problems. If you own a playcat, you may very well be aware of how difficult it is to find good information about playcats. There's some brakes. Anyway, I'm going to do some reassembly and some work, and because it's so difficult to find information, I'm just going to make videos as I go through the whole thing. So, enjoy.